Hey guys, I have no idea how this video is showing up, but I just wanted to give you a quick update as to why I've been gone for at least a month and a half. I have run into some more financial problems again, and I've decided that over the summer I was going to pick up some more hours from my job. So that means I will not be having a lot of YouTube videos to this time. So I am going to be absent throughout June and July, and I might return to YouTube around middle of August if I get enough time, but I don't know how things are going to go, so I'm just going to take it as is and just pick up some more hours so I can save some more money and whatnot. So until I get through that, I won't be on YouTube for about 2 months. So enjoy your summer, have a good time, and just make sure to stay directly out of sunlight. Make sure to wear sunscreen so you don't get burned, alright? So I'll see you in mid-August. See you later, guys.